Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Render. A bit of an update. The last couple of days we've been, or at least Render, not we, but Render has been laying low a little bit. We dropped down a bit. We lost some momentum, which was also to be expected. I think in the last time we covered Render, Bitcoin had already turned a little bit sour. So what we also said for Render specifically is that, and I still think that's the case, there are a lot of fundamental or fundamentally bullish or reasons to be bullish on Render, but it is to be expected that we drop down a little bit lower. And you can also see that right here. I think the support level that we are now getting a pretty green candle from, so that's bullish. But that's the main support level. All right, Render, as you can see right here, we have lost some momentum, and that is 100% because of the markets. The markets right now are not strong. Volume is low. There's no momentum. Bitcoin is relatively low as well. There's especially the last time we had a bullish breakout for Bitcoin is also quite a long time ago. So that's not great for Render, obviously. However, if we talk about AI-related cryptos and we talk about the NVIDIA earnings May the 22nd, so that's in about 9 days, when we talk about OpenAI potentially releasing something soon, those are all things that are very, very bullish for Render. All right, so I still think Render can rally, but we do need some confirmation, all right? Because right now, like I said, that level between $10 and 10.3 is very strong. We have $10 psychological level, the 382 fib, very strong, 50 EMA, very strong. So we have that support level, and I would say we are bullish. But the only way Render can rally, I think, is if Render also gains momentum here. And the momentum has dropped down, which is this, all right? So momentum was fairly the same over the course of the weekend, and then we had a bit of a drop, a bit of a sell-off earlier this morning, and that caused Render to give up the support level at 10.8, which was the 236 fib. So can Render rally right here? Yes, but we need some sort of a reclaim. We need a bullish breakout. Otherwise I have to assume that we will drop down a little bit lower, or at least that we will drop down into $10. And $10 is a crucial level, because if we don't find, like if we break down below $10, which is not what I expect right now, but if we do, then Render is turning bearish. All right, so that's one thing I think you for sure need to know. I mean, right now, the way we are reacting to support, I still think it's most likely that, all right, well, the market is not great right now, but that we can at least consolidate here between like 11, 10.8 and $10, all right, so that we can kind of bounce around in that level. And I would even say, if you talk about the fundamentals in combination with the technicals, that from this bouncing around, from this range, I think it's most likely that we get a bullish breakout. So I am still bullish on Render, but we must do something like this relatively soon, all right? And we do, whereas we lost quite a lot of momentum earlier this morning, we do need some sort of momentum recovery. If we don't see that, then I will change my mind. I don't think for now I need to change my mind. Like I said, there's a good chance that Render still breaks above 10.8 and rallies back up to 12 and 12.5, and that is the most likely scenario. But just be careful, all right? It's especially the market that's worrying me. And if Bitcoin starts to fall, and if Bitcoin gets a bearish breakout, I am not sure if Render will be able to hold up. Right, so for now, like I said, in summary, still bullish. I think we can rally higher if we get some sort of a bullish breakout, but be careful. But that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.